Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Redmi A3 Pro. You have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click Google. Now click on all services and now you have to find parental controls. And then click let's do this. Then click sign in. And now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your child password. Then you have to swipe down and click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. And then click next. Now you have to click allow. And now you have to scroll down and click next. Then click done. And as you can see, my parental controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.